Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk.
Well, hey family, happy Tuesday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. Sitting here working on some braces real quick, kind of like in between breaks and stuff. But anyway, these bracelets are bracelets where I'm actually using the hematite. So those little, I think these might be 4 millimeter hematite beads. I've had these for a long time. I got these at Hobby Lobby. I think I got them at Hobby Lobby, but I got these some time back, and I figure, okay, let me just go ahead and use them. And then also, like all these little 8 millimeter beads, these are just kind of stragglers that's hanging around. So I figured I would just go ahead and take them and make some bracelets using them. So I also, if you recall, these beads right here, I bought. Oh, where did I get these at? Joann's. And this particular bead right here, when you buy them, I think it might have been one, two, three, maybe like 4 strands of these beads right here, the little square beads. So I ended up with a whole lot of these. And when I say I have a whole lot of these, I have a lot of these. So I am going to use them up and make whatever I want to make. I think what happens is when you start using the same beads over, for me anyway, I don't know about anybody else, but when I start using the same beads over, I feel like I'm making the same item over. Like I don't want to use the same beads over and over. And I got to get away from that. It's like, okay, use the same beads, but just make something, different with them. That's all. So I got to kind of get myself up out of that. But this bead right here, this real pretty one, I bought these maybe 2 years ago, and I think I might have made something using these beads, but I had them just kind of hanging around here. So I did grab one to make this bracelet. And then I have another one. I found two of them in my little box over here. So I used one here to make this bracelet. And then also remember I got these ceramic, I think these are ceramic glass or ceramic shell beads. Where did I get these from? Joann's? I think I got these at Joann's. And I bought these twice. So I ended up found these in the bucket. Well, not bucket, but these boxes. So I said, oh well, let me go ahead and use those too. So I ended up making these actually 5 bracelets. And then I went ahead and put a couple of charms on. So the idea for the hematite was just a kind of like a little extra bracelet to fit in with, all the rest of them. Something small. And then what we got here. I like the way it turned out. Well, they all turned out. You guys let me know what you think. And then I went ahead and closed some of them off with the 9 millimeter. I think these are 9 millimeter black wood beads. And then some I just kind of carried all the way through with just all different beads. For me, I like to close them off with those, and also it saves my beads. I like to close them off with the wood beads. That way I use less of all the other beads. So the idea is to have like the top part, kind of decorated, and then you got the back part with the back beads, which is what people really never see. But this is what this is for right now today. I hope everybody is doing well, having a really good day. And guess what? We'll talk.